If you love cooking but hate waste, you're in the right place. Here are some sustainable cooking hacks that'll make you a green kitchen superstar. First up, go local. Hit up your local farmer's market for fresh seasonal ingredients. Not only do they taste better, but you're also supporting your local economy and reducing your carbon footprint. Next, embrace the whole ingredient. Those carrot tops and broccoli stems? They're not trash, they're treasure. Get creative and use them in soups, stocks, or even salads. Ever heard of batch cooking? It's a meal prep game changer. Cooking in bulk saves time, energy, and reduces food waste. Plus, who doesn't love having ready-to-eat meals in the fridge? Lastly, say goodbye to single-use plastics. Invest in reusable containers, beeswax wraps, and cloth bags. Small changes, big impact. So there you have it. Easy, eco-friendly hacks to make your cooking more sustainable. Mother Earth says thank you.